Creating a home that feels open, bright, and visually appealing often starts with the right window design. Homeowners who want to enhance both style and comfort are increasingly turning to Bow Windows. For homeowners in Coppell, Bow Windows offer a unique way to create a panoramic look that transforms living spaces into inviting, light-filled environments. What makes Bow Windows different? Bow windows consist of multiple window panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from the home. Unlike flat windows, this design expands the viewing angle and introduces depth into the room. In Coppell living spaces, Bow windows naturally draw the eye outward, making rooms feel more open and connected to the outdoors. Expanding the field of view. One of the most striking benefits of Bow windows is their panoramic effect. The curved design allows homeowners to enjoy wider views than standard window styles. For Coppell homeowners, this means landscapes, skies, and neighborhood scenery can be appreciated from multiple angles. The result is a continuous, uninterrupted visual experience that adds a sense of spaciousness to the room. Increasing natural light from multiple directions. Bow windows allow sunlight to enter from several angles throughout the day. This multi-directional light brightens interiors more evenly. In Coppell homes, living areas with Bow windows often feel brighter without harsh glare. Morning light, midday sun, and soft afternoon brightness all contribute to a comfortable, well-lit space. Making living spaces feel larger. The added depth created by Bow windows changes how a room is perceived. Even modest-sized living areas benefit from this visual expansion. Coppell homeowners often notice that rooms with Bow windows feel larger and more open. The outward extension draws attention beyond the walls, reducing the feeling of confinement. Enhancing comfort near window areas. Windows should invite people to enjoy the space around them. Poorly designed windows can create uncomfortable hot or cold spots. Well-designed Bow windows help maintain comfort near the glass. In Coppell living spaces, seating areas near Bow windows become comfortable places to relax and enjoy the view. Creating natural focal points. Bow windows naturally become focal points within a room. Their shape and light-drawing design anchor the space visually. For Coppell homeowners, this makes interior design easier. Furniture layouts often center around the Bow window, creating a balanced and intentional room design. Supporting flexible interior layouts. The panoramic look of Bow windows works well with various decor styles. Their design complements both traditional and modern interiors. In Coppell homes, Bow windows offer flexibility in furniture placement while maintaining visual openness. The space feels cohesive rather than crowded. Strengthening the indoor-outdoor connection. Bow windows blur the boundary between indoor living and outdoor scenery. They invite the outdoors into the home without sacrificing comfort. Coppell homeowners enjoy a stronger connection to nature, even when indoors. This connection enhances relaxation and everyday enjoyment. Enhancing exterior appeal. Along with interior-style Bow windows add architectural interest to the exterior of a home as well. Their curved profile enhances curb appeal. In Coppell neighborhoods, homes with Bow windows often stand out for their refined and elegant appearance. A panoramic upgrade that enhances everyday living. Bow windows offer more than visual appeal. They enhance how living spaces feel and function. For homeowners in Coppell, Bow windows create a panoramic look that expands views, increases natural light, and improves comfort. By transforming living spaces into open, inviting environments, Bow windows help homeowners enjoy brighter, more beautiful interiors every day.